Welcome to Health Haven, your trusted source for life-enhancing wellness tips. If you're considering the life-changing decision to quit smoking, you're in the right place. Let's explore the immediate and long-term benefits of ditching cigarettes, proving that it's never too late to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Now, let's dive into what happens to your body when you quit smoking. Within just 20 minutes of smoking your last cigarette, your body begins a series of changes that continue to improve your health. Initially, your blood pressure adjusts back to its normal rhythm and your circulation starts to enhance. This improvement in blood flow marks the beginning of your healing journey. After half a day smoke-free, you've already decreased your body's carbon monoxide levels, a toxic gas in cigarettes that hampers oxygen delivery to your organs. By reducing this poison from your bloodstream, your oxygen levels increase, significantly boosting your body's overall functioning. Just 24 hours after quitting, your risk of a heart attack begins to decline. Smoking diminishes good cholesterol, heightens blood pressure, and escalates stroke risks, but these dangers diminish remarkably within just a day. By the 48-hour mark, not only are you free from nicotine, the addictive chemical in cigarettes, but your nerve endings start to regenerate. This rejuvenation enhances your senses of smell and taste, making food more enjoyable and life more vivid. After 3 days without cigarettes, you'll experience the peak of nicotine withdrawal. Symptoms like irritability, mood changes, intense cravings, and headaches might feel overwhelming, but they signify your body's recovery from dependency. 1 month into your smoke-free journey, you'll notice significant enhancements in lung function. Activities that once left you breathless, like climbing stairs or a brisk walk, will become noticeably easier thanks to decreased coughing and shortness of breath. Fast forward to 9 months, your lungs have substantially healed. The cilia, tiny hair-like structures within the lungs that protect against infections, are now repaired and functioning better, reducing your risk of lung infections dramatically. From 1 to 5 years post-smoking, your risk of coronary heart disease is cut in half. Within 5 years, your blood vessels and arteries will widen significantly, lowering the likelihood of blood clots and strokes. Each year, smoke-free adds to your health, continuously reducing these risks. Quitting smoking isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about regaining a vibrant, energetic life. It's about making a choice for longevity and quality of life. You have the power to resurrect your health and step into a brighter, healthier future. Pushing your limits in the gym means nothing if recovery isn't part of your routine. That's where Boneworks Pro steps in. Formulated specifically for those who don't let up on their fitness goals, this powerhouse supplement supports your joints, back, and muscles, helping to reduce discomfort and promote recovery after intense workouts. Make Boneworks Pro your new workout partner and experience the difference it makes in your training and day-to-day mobility. Click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step towards optimized recovery. Let's delve deeper into the transformative journey your body undergoes when you decide to quit smoking. We at Health Haven are here to guide you through each step, helping you understand the profound benefits and how to overcome the challenges along the way. Reaching the 1-year mark is a monumental achievement in your smoke-free journey. By now, your lungs have significantly healed, greatly reducing your risk of coronary heart disease to about half that of a smoker. It's a crucial milestone that commemorates your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Your increased lung capacity also means you can engage in physical activities without the wheezing or heavy breathing that once held you back. 5 years without smoking marks a critical turning point. Not only do your arteries and blood vessels begin to widen, reducing your risk of blood clots and strokes, but your chances of developing cancer of the mouth, throat, esophagus, and bladder have now been cut in half. Quitting smoking lowers your cervical cancer risk to that of a non-smoker and reduces your risk of stroke to that of someone who has never smoked. This period reflects significant healing and a drastic reduction in risks associated with long-term smoking. After 10 years of living smoke-free, your body celebrates in various ways. Your risk of dying from lung cancer is now about half that of a person who continues to smoke. Similarly, the likelihood of developing pancreatic and larynx cancer decreases. The decade mark is a testament to your body's ability to heal and renew itself, significantly reversing much of the damage caused by cigarettes. In 15 years, your risk of coronary heart disease and pancreatic cancer is now the same as that of a non-smoker. This milestone is profound, considering the grip smoking once had on your health. Your body has not only healed but also reclaimed its right to a disease-free life. Quitting smoking is challenging, particularly in the initial stages when physical and psychological withdrawal symptoms peak. Here are some strategies to help you manage nicotine replacement therapy. Options like patches, gum, lozenges, inhalers, or nasal sprays can help alleviate some of the physical withdrawal symptoms by providing small and steady doses of nicotine without the harmful effects of smoking. Prescription medications. Speak with your healthcare provider about medications that can aid in quitting smoking. Drugs like bupropion and varenicline can reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Behavioral support. Joining support groups or following a quit smoking program can increase your chances of success by providing necessary guidance and support. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help manage stress and reduce the intensity of cravings. By focusing on the present moment, mindfulness techniques can provide you with the tools to navigate through cravings when they hit. Physical activity. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mood and energy levels, helping to distract from cravings and reduce withdrawal symptoms. Creating a supportive environment is crucial in your quit smoking journey. Surround yourself with people who recognize your effort and encourage your progress. Avoid situations where the urge to smoke is strong, and remove smoking paraphernalia from your home to make your environment smoke-free. Eating a healthy diet can aid your smoking cessation efforts. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help combat the oxidative stress caused by smoking. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps cleanse the body of toxins. Let's delve deeper into the transformative journey your body undergoes when you decide to quit smoking. We at Health Haven are here to guide you through each step, helping you understand the profound benefits and how to overcome the challenges along the way. Quitting smoking not only improves your physical health, but also has a significant positive impact on your mental well-being. Studies have shown that quitting can reduce depression, anxiety, and stress levels. It's common to feel a sense of accomplishment and increased self-esteem after overcoming the addiction, which contributes to better mental health. As you progress through your non-smoking journey, you'll likely experience a range of emotions from frustration and anger to joy and relief. These feelings are part of the recovery process. Engaging in stress management techniques such as yoga, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness meditation can help stabilize your mood and manage emotional swings. Quitting smoking opens up new social opportunities. Many smokers find that their social circles expand when they quit, as they no longer need to step away from non-smoking friends to smoke. Furthermore, being a non-smoker can also improve your relationships, as you no longer expose loved ones to secondhand smoke, demonstrating your commitment to their health as well as your own. Let's not forget the financial benefits. The cost of smoking goes beyond just purchasing cigarettes. There are healthcare costs, increased insurance premiums, and a potential loss of productivity at work. By quitting, you save money not only on the cost of cigarettes but also on these additional expenses. Calculate the money saved over a year and you'll be amazed at how much you can put towards more rewarding expenditures. Within just a few days of quitting smoking, many people report a noticeable improvement in their sense of taste and smell. Food becomes more enjoyable, and you may find yourself discovering flavors you never knew existed in your favorite meals. This can lead to a renewed interest in cooking and eating healthily, further supporting your overall wellness. Quitting smoking has visible benefits too. Smokers often experience premature aging, such as skin wrinkles, stained teeth, and gum disease. Once you quit, you'll notice improvements in your skin's elasticity and color. Your teeth may start to look whiter and you'll have fresher breath, enhancing your self-confidence and how others perceive you. After quitting smoking, many report an increase in energy levels. The improved oxygen flow in your body means that more oxygen reaches your muscles and tissues, reducing the fatigue often associated with smoking. This can make it easier to engage in physical activities and enjoy more active and fulfilling lifestyles. Tips for dealing with cravings. Cravings can be intense, especially in the early days. Here are some effective strategies to manage them. Distract yourself. Engage in an activity that requires your full attention. Delay. If you feel like you can't resist, delay the decision to smoke for just a few minutes. Often, the urge will pass. Deep breathing. Take a few slow, deep breaths to help you relax and reduce the urge to smoke. Drink water. Sipping water slowly can help manage cravings by keeping your mouth and hands busy. Celebrating milestones in your quitting journey can be very motivating. Whether it's 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, acknowledge the effort it took to reach each of these points. Treat yourself to something special with the money you've saved from not buying cigarettes. You don't have to do this alone. Support from family, friends, or a professional can make a significant difference in your success. Consider joining a support group where you can share experiences and strategies with others who are also on the path to quitting smoking. Quitting smoking is an ongoing journey, and staying smoke-free is the goal. Continue to remind yourself of the reasons you quit and the benefits you gained. Avoid triggers, and if you do relapse, don't get discouraged. Many people try several times before they succeed permanently. Keep educating yourself about the health risks of smoking and the benefits of quitting. Health Haven provides a wealth of resources that can keep you informed and motivated. Thanks for sticking with us at Health Haven. Remember, every cigarette you don't smoke is doing you good. Hit like if you found this video helpful, and share it with someone who might be thinking about quitting. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and encouragement. Here's to a healthier, happier you.